Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So the first thing that I need to do on this bike is bypass the kickstand, because as you can see the sensor is missing and sometimes the bike is turning off. I think the sensor is actually somewhere here behind this fairing. I think this is it. It's running around, so I don't know why is that. I have already got a sensor delete, so I will be removing this part of the fairing and we'll find the plug where this goes in. Let's start. Now that the fairing is off, we can actually see a bit better. This is the sensor over here. I don't know what happened to it. It looks really bad and burnt. Well, this plug wasn't even connected, it was just hanging there. So I found the plug where the kickstand sensor is supposed to be connected, and there's already seems so a delete, but it looks like it's badly burnt also. So I'm just gonna replace it with this new one and see if the bike starts well. Okay, so it is plugged in now. Let's start the bike.